Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. Today we have an unboxing video. But before we get to that, if you like EDC and knife reviews and that kind of content, and you like to have a lot of fun, please think about subscribing. Okay, now that that's out of the way, today we are unboxing the Oknife XEN-OAL. Again, it's the XEN-OAL by Oknife. And I've already taken the privilege of cutting open the box so we can get it out easier. And first thing we see when we open it is a card. And on the back of the card, it reads, "Dear O fans, thank you for purchasing the XEN-OAL. I'm grateful for the opportunity to work with Olight. This was an exciting project for me. The design was inspired by my favorite Unveiled flashlight. I have been using it as my EDC for a few months, and I am pleased with its performance and hand appeal. Ken Onion." So this is a Ken Onion designed knife. And let's see what we have here. Oh, before we get to that, let's just show you in the box, I should say in the package before we even open the box, they supplied a lanyard and a bead. And let's see if we can get that kind of centered. Hopefully you can see that. On one side, there's the Oknife logo with the phoenix behind it. And then on the other side, it has this beautiful dragon's head on the bead. I don't know how well that's going to come across on the camera. That is a beautiful bead. It weighs nothing. All right, so let's get to what's in the package here. First thing we have is an extra screw set, and that's always good to have. Then we have the knife. But before we get to that, I see something else. Let's see. What do we have? Oh, we have a challenge coin. Let's open that up. Look at that. That's a beautiful challenge coin. It's got the XEN-OAL knife on it, Ken Onion design. That's just beautiful. And on the other side, the Oknife logo. You can see that. I really like challenge coins, so we'll put that one right here. Then underneath, we have, we've got your, what looks to be the booklet. Yep, it's the Oknife booklet. And then inside of there is a Oknife cleaning cloth, which those are always good. So let's get the box out of the way, and now let's get the knife opened. Check that out. That is stunning. Look at the pattern, the milled pattern on that OAL aluminum. And if you don't know what OAL aluminum is, it's proprietary aluminum made by Olight. It was used on their Unveiled Ultra flashlight, which I have one here. I have the blue one, and it's just a beautiful material. And I just wish now I had gotten it in the olive color instead of the blue. I might have to get around to getting that. So first looking at it, as we take a tour of it, it's a rear flipper and a dual thumb stud design. It's got a red aluminum back spacer with your deep carry clip. It is a frame lock that you can see right there. It's got these beautiful red accents around the pivot. So let's pop this puppy open. Look at that. Just look at that blade on there. That is beautiful. Wow, that feels really good too. Again, this is just a first reaction video. I haven't obviously reviewed it. It's got some nice jimping here that grabs the thumb really nicely. And that just grips your hand really well. Ken Onion, bravo. They did put the name on the side, the XEN-OAL, Ken Onion design, and they do have the Oknife logo on the clip. I could live with that. And again, it's the frame lock. A little tight at the moment because it is new. Blade is perfectly centered. Beautiful. Wow, that pops out of there almost like it's an assisted opening, but it is not. That's how good the detent is on that. That sounded great. Let's see. Oh, you can, it's one thumb operational. Wow, listen to that sound. So let's go over the specs on this. This this is a S45 VN blade. Okay, it's a frame lock, as we said. It's a 61 on the hardness scale. The blade comes in at 3.16 inches. It's a stone wash blade, which I think is just beautiful. And last but not least, it's ultralight. This is 2.57 ounces. To give you a comparison, I believe the bug out is like 2.2 ounces. So this is just slightly heavier than that. So this is an ultralight knife. Very thin, but unlike a bug out, because you have the aluminum liners there, that they are, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but they are milled out on the back side. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but you got to trust me. It's actually nice milling on there. I don't know if you can see it, but it literally weighs nothing. So let's take a couple of knives out for a size comparison. This is a classic knife. This is the Ontario Rat Model 2. So if you look, it's slightly longer in the handle and the blade is about the same length. Then we have your NAF's Lander 3 in the dark mode. You can see it's bigger. It's a bigger blade than that, and also has a bigger handle. So that kind of gives you a size idea of what it's like, or a comparison, I should say. Get these knives out of here. So my first reaction is I really like it. Yeah, I want to at some point do a cut test with it, carry it for a little bit, see how it holds up. They say this is very durable. I'm going to do something I probably shouldn't do. I'm going to take this Civivi, and I'm going to not even a mark. Look at that. Not even a mark left on that. Mind you, I didn't do it hard, but I think this is going to be have some high endurance to it. I really do. But look at that. That is just fantastic. This is a real work of art. Again, Ken Onion, my hat's off to you, man. And it does have this beautiful lanyard hold here. Hole, I should say, not hold. I love a lanyard hole because I love putting lanyards on my knives. And I just can't wait to start using this. So there you have it. That is the Oknife XEN-OAL. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you could, please subscribe to the channel and leave some comments. Tell me what you think of it. Do you like the look? Do you think it's going to be a good knife overall? And is it something you would carry? And also let me know what you are carrying. You know, that's something that's in this community is important. Let's find out what you're carrying. So leave those comments down in the comments section. And last but not least, if you want channel stickers, I have channel stickers available. All you have to do is just email me. I'll put the email address in the description. And you can just email me and I'll send you out stickers. I've got 3 types of stickers. I've got a large sticker, 2 smaller with 2 different logos, so or a variation of the same logo. But yeah, but if you want stickers, just let me know. All right, folks. Until we meet again, keep your blades sharp.